In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to insert portrait and landscape pages in the same Word document. So for instance, if we have a document, this is portraits. If, for example, the next page, you want it to be a landscape, how do you do that? To do that is simple. So place your cursor at the last page of the one you want to be portraits, such that the next one will be landscape. As I've done, put your cursor here and press Alt PSD. That is shortcut to open page setup. So you can see page setup here. Come under margin, then come under orientation here. You will see portrait and landscape. Since we want the next page to be landscape, so click on landscape, then come to apply to, then choose where you want it to apply. Click on this drop down and click on this point forward, which means from that very point forward should be landscape. Click on OK. So you can see that the next page now is landscape. So you can see that we have successfully inserted landscape below. This is portrait, this is landscape in the same document. So if, for instance, you want the next page to be portraits, so what to do is that place your cursor at the end of the text on this page and press Alt PSD again to open the page setup. Then this time around, click on portraits and here change it to from this point forward and click on OK. You can see that the next page now is portraits. So this is how to insert portraits and landscape in the same Word document. Thank you for watching.